Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well on this Thursday morning. And it's been great the whole weekend with snow, and also it was great. It was a very cold day on Tuesday, so we were not ready for the snow, but snow can come anytime because it's America's weather, Colorado weather, so it was good. So friends, today I'll show you a recipe on how to get your bloating gone for that day, and immediate relief from acidity, bloatedness, acid reflux, and how to curb it, and what are the natural remedies. So I'll be showing you that, friends. So let's get started. These are cumin seeds. I bought it from the Indian store, any Indian store you get anywhere, and these are called as cumin seeds. This is how cumin seeds look. I have boiled all the cumin seeds in this boiling water and I let it cool now. Now the water is cooled down. I'm straining this water now. This is how the color looks. You just drink it. You feel good. So with this drink, your acid reflux, your bloating, the irritation in your tummy all goes away. Acidity and bloating and acid reflux happen because of many factors, friends. It happens because of first wrong foods, overeating and oily food, too much of oil and uncooked uncooked food, and somebody didn't wash their hands well before cooking the food. So friends, there are so many factors which can trigger an acid reflux and tummy pain and diarrhea and all. So this really helps, and I've been drinking cumin water from when I was growing up as a child also. I used to like the flavor of the cumin water, and I never drank cold water in my life. So only until it's very sunny or summer day, like 100 degrees, and then I feel like drinking cold water, but I never drank ice water at all. Even if I get a very cold water, I microwave my water and I drink. I don't like to drink very cold water. I've not eaten ice creams from many years. I don't even remember how many years. So I don't take ice creams. I don't take much of sugary stuff. I like to have sometimes chai and all the hot beverages. But when it comes to cold, I say no. I don't eat cold food. I like to make my foods fresh and simple. I don't like fried foods. And some more precautions you can take is not to eat oily food and greasy food, and too much of oil laden food like donuts and fried foods. We should avoid all that, friends. So when you have this upset tummy, this cumin seed water, it really helps. You'll feel like it's your tummy has become light after drinking this, and it's again very good for digestion. You can add ginger also if you feel more nauseated and all. So I just wanted to show you only for acid reflux, but you can add ginger and you can add mint. You can add many things, and when your tummy is upset, you can eat overripe bananas and cucumbers, watermelon, all these water foods, which will help you in easing the acid reflux, friends. Friends, once you finish drinking that water, there's even an acupressure point. You just need to press here. This is my whole palm. So that means you have to press here in both the hands. If you press it here, you'll feel a relief because your tummy is in the middle. So if you press this palm, you'll get such a good relief, friends. I'm showing you both in my right hand and left hand. So this is the pressure points. You just need to press it with your thumb or four fingers, however you feel comfortable. I feel comfortable doing like this, so I always do this when I feel bloatedness and I'm feeling uneasy, or if I have eaten some bad food on that day by mistake, or I have gone out and there was nothing that I could do and I was forced to eat or had to eat because it was a party or something, and my friends cook so yummy food when I have to go to their birthday parties or prayer meetings or anything. I also eat and I love eating, friends. So it is good to eat, but sometimes your tummy needs to digest. So this is the pressure point, and you can even clap your hands, friends. It will give you such good relief. You just need to keep clapping. So this will also help in bloatingness to go down and go off for at least that day. And you should eat light foods, friends. So lentils are very light. Preparing at home is good, and you know what spices are going. So all these factors help, friends. So I hope you liked it. Friends, you can even take some nice yogurt, make it into buttermilk. Just take 3 or 4 spoons of yogurt in a glass, whisk it, put some salt, some black pepper, whisk it well or puree it well in the mixie so that it blends well, and you can drink that on in any time of the day and it will soothe your tummy so much. You can put mint, cilantro, so many flavors, but you have to add little salt and black pepper, friends. You should not take sugar during acid reflux because sugar is again sweet, and sugar can aggravate your enzymes, and it's not good, friends. So just try to avoid sugar as much as possible during acid reflux. So friends, I hope you like this information, and if you have liked it, like it, give a thumbs up, share it, comment, and subscribe, friends. See you all till next time. Bye.